what is suiting you for your best character, then only you will be able to define, like you want to go for a partnership firm, you want to go for individual advisory thing, you have to go for a proprietorship firm, or you want to do a job. But you have to first analyze what you are suitable with. So right now that is in the boom thing. So whenever there is a pick things are available, you have to catch the that areas to advise them, to catch hold of their hands, so that they can also grow. Because right now the engineers are not having that finance knowledge or costing knowledge or any other thing, audit knowledge. So we have the right now the best capture of the market related to the AI and technology partners, how we can develop their things and their accounts and give the advisory to grow or to connect with better connections from our C8 connects, how we can connect them with us, so that they can grow, they can explore, and even you can grow simultaneously. So that's it for now.